Welcome to my channel. My name is Norma with momisdesigns. In this channel, you're going to be learning how to make different DIYs that you can not only use them for your family and your friends, but you can also sell them. Let's not wait any longer and let's get to work. With this video, I'm going to show you how I make these labels. I use this so that when I get a personalized print t-shirt, I just like to show them just how to wash it and how to iron it if it needs to. The only items that you're going to need, I'm going to put the links in the description box. You're going to be needing koala sticker paper, and you're going to be needing, I'm going to use my Cricut and the Cricut design space. I'm going to be using a inkjet printer. So that's all we need. Let's go to the screen and see you in a second. What we're going to do is, this is what I like to put, and I already, so the video doesn't get too long, is I put the name of my company. I put the instructions of how to wash the garment and how to iron it if it needs it, and then I put other places to follow me. And then so this is what I want to make, and that you can find here. You go to shapes, and I'm using the Cricut design space, and you just go to shapes, and then this is the one I got, and I only changed the color to white. Please be aware that when you make labels, you can only make not an 8.5 by 11 sheet completely of labels. You can only use the space of 6.5 by 9.25. That's in case you do not know, that's how Cricut works. So basically what I'm going to be doing is, like, I'm going to go ahead and create how I want my label. Then I'm going to go ahead and put it exactly how I want it. And this font, it's Flynn Standard. This font is Futura LT Condensed, and this is the same one, but it's smaller. So I'm just going to pretty much put the information where I want it on my label, and here's my label. Then I'm going to grab everything together, and I want to go flatten. What this is going to do, if you look right here, is that it's going to put it together. So now what I'm going to do is, I noticed that when I make my labels 2 inches, they work really well. So this number here, I'm going to change it to 2 inches, and I'm going to go up here on the height. I'm going to go here, clear that up, and just put 2 inches. And that's going to resize my label. For me, this label is big enough. So now what we're going to do is, we're just going to go to make it. And this is where it's going to take you. This frame right here is the marker for the Cricut to measure your labels and cut them. So what I'm going to be doing is, like, I know I can go at least 16. Apply, and there you go. You needed inkjet or desk jet printer, and the one that I use is by HP Desk Jet 2755E. That's the one I use. So now we have our labels ready to be printed, and we're just going to go to continue, and we're going to go select the printer. Here's my printer right here. We don't want the bleed. What happens if you leave the bleed is that all the letters are going to be super thick, that you're not going to be able to read it. So we go ahead and turn that off, and we're going to go to print. You can either go to labels, or you can just go ahead and go to customize. Like right now I have it under customize. And you can, this is the one I'm going to use, and I really use that a lot, so I went and put a star, like a favorite. So that's the one I'm going to use. Okay, so here it is already loaded. So we're just going to go to here. It's going to pick it up. and it's gonna go ahead and start reading. So here you go, it's cutting. Okay, so here are our labels. This is how they come out. So basically what I'm gonna do, I like to use it on any personalized t-shirt that I make. I pretty much just get my label and I just put it right in there and they can peel it off later. But for now, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. May the Lord bless you today and every day. And until next time, thank you.